I don't know why I keep randomly clapping. That's awkward. There's a lot bothering me right now. My shirt, my ring issues. Also this box, the fact that it's called the Glam Bag Plus, but it's a box. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you. Okay, my shirt was messed up. Sorry. It's day 2 of September 2019 box week. I don't know why I keep randomly clapping. That's awkward. Anyways, if you're brand new to my YouTube channel and you're like, I love whatever's going on here, click that red subscribe button. Join our forever little YouTube family. Yeah, do it. And also, if you're like, what's box week? Well, it's basically, we spend an entire week together. There's a new video every day for 7 days. You're catching us on the 2nd day. So be excited about that information. So the box we're going to be opening today is Ipsy. This is actually the Glam Bag Plus, but it's not a bag, it's a box. So it's the Glam, they call it the Glam Bag Plus. This bothers me. Also, I just realized I only have on my wedding band and not my other ring. There's a lot bothering me right now. My shirt, my ring issues. Also this box, the fact that it's called the Glam Bag Plus, but it's a box. My hair's getting stuck in my lip gloss. Anyway, so let's just get into the video. So this box right here, this version of it is like $25 a month. If you're like, hey, I want to check out the original, it's like $10 a month. Either way, if you want to check out Ipsy, I have a referral code down below in the description box. Just click on that. Check it out for yourself. Also, I want to point out to you guys, this time, this box came sealed. So, the last, there's been 2 boxes in the last, few months that have come, open. Like, last month, my box was completely open. And so it's been kind of weird, and a lot of you guys actually commented that you have had the same issue with your boxes arriving open. So I don't know what's up with that, but I found out it's not just like a post office thing, it's just like an Ipsy thing, where sometimes your box just comes completely open. And that's just part of the deal. Anyway, so I have Mr. John Wayne here, and we're going to get into this box. Also, I want to let you know that we will be putting some items into our stockpile giveaway. Basically, this is a box of goodies that we fill up over the week with stuff from my subscription boxes. And then once it's full, I post a video saying how you could win it. So, alright, I'm just going to get into this. This video is weird already. I don't know. I didn't really have a plan. I was like, I'm going to open up my box, and then we'll just see what it goes on from there. So right on the top there's yellow foam paper. I'm going to set this down. It says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. It doesn't say that every time. And it really does say Glam Bag Plus. I just feel like if you're going to say it's a bag, you should put a bag in there. Especially when it costs so much more. You know what I mean? Can I just say that? Is that okay to say? I don't know if it's okay or not. I'm saying it anyway. Alright, so right off the top, it says Find Your Light. It looks like it's some kind of sparkly, shimmery eye something rather. I'm just going to reach in here and see what we got. The first thing I'm pulling out is Apto Skincare Pomegranate Mask. Ooh. Okay. This is a pomegranate mask. Basically, it doesn't... What? Appeasing skin and reducing redness. Ideal for first few weeks after summer or any time where the skin has been overexposed to sunlight. Helps remove dead skin cells while pomegranate boosts collagen production and fights free radical damage. Well, that sounds pretty good. I don't know. I've never tried this mask before. Oh, look at that. Let's smell it. Oh, I can't smell it. There's a little thing on the top. Hold on. You guys always have told me, you're like, you should have your video ready. Before you start a video, you should have a tweezers or something. And I'm always like, yeah, I'm going to do that. Then I don't do it, and I gotta use my teeth. I just got lipstick on here. It's got a pretty decent smell to it. It doesn't have so much of a pomegranate smell as much as it smells like a deep cleaning smell. So that's gonna be fun to use on my face at nighttime. The next thing that we have is Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. Loose translucent setting powder. So hold on, can we see this? This is a setting powder from Ciate London. Let's see if we can pull it out without damaging the box too much. I told you guys before, I don't really use a lot of setting powder anymore. It's kind of yeah. So, just a little setting powder. It's pretty. It looks real pretty. It's really cute. I'm going to put this in the giveaway box, though, because I don't use tons of setting powder because my face looks too cakey with it, and I really am obsessed with like that dewy, like, yes girl look thing going on. Whatever that look is, that's what I'm obsessed with. That's how I describe it. That's the look I'm always going for, so I don't use a lot of setting powder. Alright, next thing that we have is, ooh, Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser from Glam Glow. Oh snap! This is exciting. Oh my gosh, this is... I can't wait to try this. These Glam Glow face washes, first of all, this full-size Glam Glow, I love their face washes. Like, I've decided I'm all about it. I'm using that. I can't wait to get that all up in my skin and just pull out the impurities. That is exciting. All right, next we have Ia Masqua. I never know how to say this. Antimatter lipstick in the shade Midnight. So I'm really bad at like this brand. Like this brand specifically, whenever I get one, I never know how to fully like properly say it. All right, looks like this is gonna be the shade here. So I'm not actually gonna open this. I'm gonna put this in the stockpile giveaway because it's like a full-size lipstick. But if you have it, man, I wish, don't you sometimes wish you could like comment pictures on YouTube so somebody could just like swatch it and post it? So I'm not gonna swatch this because I want to put this in the giveaway box and I don't want to open it because I always am like, I'm really big on like germs and stuff like that. So that's going in the giveaway box too. And then finally it looks like, oh my gosh, we have a full-size eyeshadow palette from Nomad X Berlin Integrated, can't read that word at all. I don't even know what it says. Nomad Berlin Intense Eyeshadow Palette. So you guys, we have a full-size eyeshadow palette. I'm really excited because I actually recently was just thinking like, you know, even though I have like a million eyeshadow palettes, that I was going to buy a new one. But if this has like the shades I want, I don't have to buy another eyeshadow palette. Boom. Oh my god, these are pretty. Holy crap. Look at these. Y'all, look at these. Look at these colors. These are some intense, sexy fall colors. Also, I like all these like little skulls on here. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna swatch some of these. I feel like, so there's one that says poor but sexy, and there's all these like, man, I can't pronounce like any of these names. Like that's, I don't even want to say embarrassing, because like I'm past like the embarrassing part of my weaknesses, but I definitely can't. So this is like almost like a icy like white or like a greenish gold kind of look at, or I don't know what I'm saying. Basically it's like a silvery blue-green with almost like an undertone of gold. All these look almost like duochrome shadows. This is intense. The reason I'm keeping this is because like I don't actually wear a lot of colors like this, and I feel like this is gonna really challenge me to like wear more shades like this fall, to like really get more bold instead of like just always stuck in the same colors. Look at those. Those are real pretty. Oh my gosh, this is cool. This is really cool. I am really happy with this. I'm gonna swatch a few more. I think it's really cool that they did such a bold like color choice, because a lot of these boxes, you notice like they do a lot of the similar style. I mean, I guess I shouldn't say always, but I don't think I've seen anything with this like sexy, deep richness of fall tones before in a box, so I'm really impressed. And this is the other arm I just put a couple of shades on. This is awesome. So again, if you want to check out this box or the original Ipsy, which is like $10 a month, a little bit more affordable, I have a referral code down below in the description box. But overall, like this box was amazing. We got full-size Glam Glow skincare. I should recap, shouldn't I? I forget to recap now. Dang it. All right, we have the full-size Tropical Cleanse by Glam Glow. We got the App2 Pomegranate Mask, which I'm excited to try that. We got the full-size Nomad eyeshadow palette, which I swatched a couple of the shades here, and I just showed you that like a million times. We got the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder, which is going into our stockpile giveaway, which actually looks really good. And then we also have the Ia Masqua, I don't know how to say it properly, lipstick in the shade Midnight, which is also going into the stockpile giveaway. So that's all I have for you guys today, but if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you are part of the Justlikedrew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we're literally the best crew, because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Justlikedrew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 3 of Box Week. I talk to you. Love you. Goodbye. Jealous. Guys, Josh is gonna be so jealous when he sees all this tea. And I have to decide if I'm gonna share it or not. That's where I'm at right now. I'm